I'm Rhonda and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am going to be whipping up one of, it's just a southern favorite here in the South. It is for some of us anyway.
Not all of us.
Not all of us. Somebody is very verbal about this little dish, but I love it. My kids have always loved it, and we're going to have this today, but I'm going to show you how we make just a simple southern potato salad. Now you will find this anywhere you go, whether it's a restaurant around here, a family reunion, church social, even a funeral, honey. You will find some tater salad. So I'm just going to show you a real simple way. Now I have told y'all I'm kind of fussy, like on my egg salad. I like it simple. I don't like all those hunks and chunks and all this stuff happening. And kind of the same way with the egg salad. But I'm going to show you how I do it. I have peeled my potatoes and washed them, and I'm just going to cut them in about a 1.5 inch pieces there. You don't want them too small because you don't want them to just cook up and have mashed potatoes. We're not going for that at all. So I'm not making a huge pot of them because like somebody's already said, he does not care for a potato salad, y'all.
Not my favorite.
He won't try to taste it. It's one of those things I keep telling him, if you taste it, you might like it. But no. What's the reason, Russell? One of them got away. We'll wash him, put him back. What's the reason? Well, he don't like mayonnaise.
I'm not a big mayonnaise fan. I don't really like cold potatoes, so
no.
It's just not my thing. Cold French fries, cold potato, any kind of cold potato, it just ain't my jam there.
Well, you can taste it hot. I've got one child that likes hot potato salad and one prefers it cold. Now I, on the other hand, I love it cold. I like it beside something hot. And it's just that cool creaminess beside it. That's how I love it. So I'm not making a big old honking pot today. I've got my eggs here. Now I do like a lot of eggs in mine. It's almost like egg salad for me with little potatoes in it. But this is how my children's great-grandma, she made it like this. Sweet old mama, she made the best potato salad. And so I'm going to show you how she does it. But we're going to get these eggs, and I do cook my eggs with my potatoes, y'all. I've got these yard eggs washed, clean. They're going to go right in here. Don't work harder, work smarter. These can boil right in there with them potatoes while they're cooking. I've got cold water that it's going to go into. Now, you do want to salt your water pretty good because you want the salt to get in those potatoes. You don't want to really be salting them afterwards, and salt's just, you know, hanging out on top, not really inside with some good flavor. So I've got my salted water. I'm going to wash these potatoes one more time, give them a little rinse, and I'm going to put my eggs and my potatoes in there, and we're going to bring them to a boil. And I'll show you what we're going to do next. Alright, y'all, I've washed my potatoes, and I've got my eggs in here with it. Got them turned on high. So I'm just going to bring this to a rolling boil, and I'm going to simmer this or cook it for about 8-9 minutes. And then I'll take my eggs out and put them in an ice bath so them suckers is going to peel good. And so I will catch you back when we're mixing the potato salad. Alright, y'all, it's been 8 minutes, and I'm just taking the eggs out, putting it in some ice water in an ice bath. That's going to make them shells just come right off. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn my potatoes down. They are almost done. We don't want them to be a mush. We want them to be fork tender. So I'm going to peel these eggs and then drain my potatoes. All right, we have got those potatoes cooled. We've got these eggs out of the ice bath, and I'm just going to crack one. I'll show y'all how easy it is to peel here. I'm just going to go back here on it. I told him, I said, watch, it won't peel for nothing now that we're videoing it. It's coming off. It's just my nails. It's just my nails, y'all.
It looks pretty easy to me.
It's coming off. There you go.
Voila.
Tried and true, y'all. That's what we do. Alright, I'm going to wash my hands real quick. And get this shell off my hands because I don't want no crunchy pieces in my potato salad. That is not supposed to be there. Alright, y'all. For my little potato salad, I'm going to show y'all how our little man taught us how to do it. This is so easy and just really good. I like mine simple. Like I said, I'm kind of fussy about mine. I actually start with my eggs first. Alright, we've just kind of cut the eggs here. Just got them a little rough chop. You don't have to get them too small. I'm going to save one because everybody knows in the South, honey, we have to slice that egg and put on top for whatever reason. So that's what I'm going to do, just like Mama has always taught me to do. Alright, for the sauce, as they call it in the potato salad, some people mix just mayonnaise and a little sugar and some apple cider vinegar, but my pickles has got vinegar in it and it's pretty sweet, so I think I'm going to leave the sugar out. But we're going to go ahead and put some of this good old Duke's mayonnaise, y'all. Good old Duke's, and I'm going to put about a half.
Right here in Greenville, South Carolina?
Yes, we live about 15 minutes from Malden, where they manufacture this. Goodness. Yeah. It's just goodness. Russ is acting like it's good stuff, but he don't eat it.
Well, I eat it in some. It depends on what it is.
He does.
In some things. Now that's not.
In some things, that's true.
Yeah.
Now I've got some sweet relish. This is about a half a cup of mayonnaise because we want this to be kind of mayonnaisey, kind of creamy. Some people add some sour cream in theirs. Now I'm going to use about that was probably a big old heaping tablespoon. And maybe a half there. This is what we're going with. This is what we're starting with. Now I can always add more if I want it, but that's what we're going with. Now, this everybody does not use. This is just some pimentos. I like the large pimentos to cut them myself, but this is what Ingles had to offer us today. So this is going to be some pretty color in it. You can also use some red bell pepper if you want to. That's also good in it. I just don't like all the crunch. And these are really soft. So you're not going to get all that crunch. And I'm also, instead of that sugar, I'm going to add just a little bit of my old-fashioned bread and butter juice out of that. I am out of my pickles. I normally make my own pickles. But I'm out of them. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of this mustard that's making rude noises. Alright, we're just going to stir this up and see where we're at before I mix it in with my potatoes. And this is what it's looking like. I'm going to add just a little bit of that bread and butter juice in here. I'm just going to pour in some. I like to also dice those up. They're really good, the bread and butter. Just a little bit, because we don't want this to be all loosey-goosey. We want it to, you know, I don't want it to be runny. Alright, I'm going to add my black pepper in it. Now, I'm going to be careful with that salt, because I salted pretty heavily when I was boiling the potatoes. Now, I'm going to taste it. I tell y'all, listen, be kind to whoever you are cooking for and taste your food. Just a little onion powder. Now this is going to take the place of some crunchy onion. We don't want that crunchy onion. And I've got a little bit of dill weed. I do like fresh dill. We couldn't find it, could we, Russell?
Nope.
We looked all over and I did not have any fresh dill, but that fresh dill really makes it good. And a little bit of celery seed. Once again, I don't like the crunch, but this gives it the flavor. And I'm putting probably about a quarter teaspoon in here of this. This is what she's looking like right now. That mustard just gives it just a little bit of that color. Now, let me move this stuff before I sling it every which way. Cover these things up. All right. Now, I'm just going to put this in like so. I do have a little bit of green onion snip. It's not got that crunch and it's so strong, but you still get a little bit of that flavor in it. Get all this out of here. Let me get this. That might help me out just a little bit. Y'all, this little dish is just delicious. I know it don't seem like much, but it is on everybody's table as a side around the South. Just gonna fold this in. You don't want to beat it up too much. You don't want to have mashed potatoes, but you're just going to fold it. I actually like to do it with a wooden spoon. This is how Mama told me to do it. I don't know what her reasoning was behind the wooden spoon, but she said she always used a wooden spoon to do it. And like I said, you don't mess around with it too much. Just let it be. All right, now what we put on top, you will always see this is just a little smoked paprika. So I'm gonna slice my little egg up here and just put it right on top here. Now I'm not doing it real pretty, y'all. Russell will get close up in there to see that I'm not doing it pretty. And we're just going to give this a little sprinkle. Here we go, just one right there. Just going to give it a little sprinkle. A little what's up. You don't put it in your potato salad, just sprinkle on top. And I did go a little heavy in a little area. But it's going to be just fine. It's going to be delicious. And we're going to get ready to taste it and tell you exactly what it tastes like.
We'll taste it, y'all.
All right, we'll see.
All right, y'all. This absolutely southern, yummy potato salad is ready for the taste tester to sample. Come on in, Rhonda.
Hey, y'all. We are on the wrong side. I need to be on this side.
Wait. What you got to do on this side?
I still like this side. No matter what I'm doing, I like this side better.
Well, okay. Well, I'm not a big on potato salad, y'all. So
he wouldn't taste it, y'all. But
I've had a bunch of people say, "I want your job. Today you could have been a sub. You could have been a fill-in."
I'm gonna remember that.
Well, no, it's not that listen.
He didn't take one for the team.
I couldn't do it. The egg salad was all right, but it didn't have all this other stuff going on.
It's not a lot of stuff.
It's a little busy, y'all. It's a little Jezebel potato salad-ish.
He doesn't even know. It don't have chunky onions. It don't have chunky celery.
It's got some stuff.
It's got some pickles and eggs and some pimentos and
tell you what I'll do. When you make your hot potato salad,
I'm going to do that, y'all.
I promise y'all on camera, you got it right here, that I'll try it. If it's warm and hot, I'll try it. After it's been sitting in the refrigerator, it's cold.
What he's saying, the hot potato salad don't have this stuff. It's more like a loaded baked potato.
Yeah, I can do that now.
But listen, this is good. This is delicious. And I will tell you, the longer it sits in the refrigerator, the better it is to me. So you can make this ahead, put it in the refrigerator, take it anywhere, and it's going to be good. Now, I wouldn't leave it sitting outside at a picnic in the heat or nothing.
No, we don't want to do that.
But this is good. It's good beside anything. I'm telling you.
Well, go on in there.
I ain't scared. I ain't scared, y'all.
Look at you putting it all over my arm.
I was trying to get you to taste that.
Well, I said it all, y'all, right there.
It's good.
That may be the best taste test we've.
He's got to do better,
She
y'all.
may have to take over for me.
He's got to do better.
She may have to take over.
He's about to lose his job.
Yeah, I know, right? I'm just going to stay behind the camera and let you do it all. That was great.
Y'all, this is good. This is a comfort food to me. It really is. This is something I grew up on. Just treat yourself. I'm telling you, it is good. It is good. Treat yourself.
Oh, I'm good. I'm good. I look. Some things everybody just can't love everything. You know, that's just not my thing. It's not my jam.
I forgive you. I forgive you.
Yeah.
But this is really, really good. He is missing out. It's creamy. Like I said, I don't like hitting big, chunky, crispy, crunchy, whatever. I like celery, I like onions, I like all those things, but I just don't like it in things like this. And
I'm sure it's wonderful, y'all.
It is good.
I just can't wrap my head around it.
I will say, I talked about putting some little snippets of green onion in there. Lord, I done forgot all about it. So I just.
They are in here though. They in here now.
I fixed it up.
Yeah.
I did it right, y'all.
Yeah.
But it's so good. It's so good. You can dress this up. Now my sister Tab, she makes an excellent potato salad. She puts bell pepper and a little onion, a little red onion, I think, in hers. That gives it really good flavor. If you like the crunch, that's a really good one. But this is just a real simple one for those that don't like the chunky stuff, the Jezebel one.
That's what we do, y'all. Simple.
Yes, very simple. But this is good. So good with barbecue. Barbecue, any kind of thing like that. It is good. You're going to find it on my table at holidays. And he will pass right by. But
Yes,
it's going to be there.
But, hey, it'll look good on everybody else's plate eating some barbecue. Sure will.
It's good. It really is, y'all. So I hope you try it.
Yeah, give it a try.
Remember the recipe will be in the link.
Yeah.
So,
let us know what you put in your potato salad.
Yeah.
Get in the comments. Let us know how you like to fix yours. I know there's a lot of different varieties of it.
It is.
A lot of people make it different ways.
It sure is. And I only made a small one. So the recipe that I put, I've only used half of what I'm going to put in there. So if you're making a big one for your family, I'll have the right
full recipe.
The full recipe, yes. So it's a good one, y'all. It's a good one. It is just.
If she says it, I believe it.
It's just smothered in goodness. It's good. Well, all right. He believes me, but he ain't a taster.
I'm 100%. I'm a believer.
Anyway, y'all. Until next time.